Hey everyone, Tommy Drone here. This is my new Avata 2 drone bag. Yeah, and I have it for the VR headset, and it comfortably can hold my Avata 2 drone and the batteries. This is actually a camera bag. So if you have a DSLR camera, you can use it for that too, but it works great for the Avata 2 from DJI. Now, I know what you're thinking, well, why didn't I just buy the regular bag that comes with DJI? Because I didn't think to do that. So I got this one. But look here, this is called a RAINSMORE. It's a canvas camera bag. Canvas, I guess, it feels more like a blue jean kind of a feel to me. But it's really nice. It's got a nice woven design, nice handles. It's even got a nice little strap for carrying it around as a camera bag, right? It's got dividers, which I'm not using in this case here, but it's also weatherproof. It has a tablet sleeve, which is where I put the Avata 2, multi-slot front pouch, and a dual opening pockets for your batteries, cables, and memory cards. Anyway, I paid $25 for this camera bag, and it works great for the DJI Avata 2, especially if you have the goggles. So I only paid $25, and I have the direct links for you below, so check it out. If you're needing to get yourself a new DJI Avata bag, go ahead and get this one. It's excellent. I love it. Totally recommend it for you. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'm Tommy Drone. I have more really cool videos coming up very soon. It's getting warmer here where I am, so I'm looking forward to making a lot more great videos. Thanks again for watching. Check out the link below for this really cool bag. And I know you're thinking, well, Tommy, why didn't you just buy the Avata 2 with the extra batteries? I'll tell you why. One reason: price. Yeah, but you know what? If I could do it all over again, I would go ahead and get the higher upgrade with the additional batteries in the bag. But I didn't do that. And if you need a new bag, go ahead and get yourself the DJI Avata 2 and this bag also. Thanks again for watching. I'm Tommy Drone. See y'all next time.